In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create your own progress bar in Canva. So let's dive right in and get started. First, you want to head over to the Canva website and log in or create an account if you haven't already. Once you're in, look for the video icon on the homepage and give it a click. This will direct you to the video creation suite, which is perfect for adding dynamic elements like a progress bar. Now that you're in the video creation section, choose the video landscape option. This is a great format for most video projects, providing you with enough space to work with. Once you've done this, navigate over to the Elements tab located on the left-hand side of your screen. Click on it to open a drawer of options where you can find different shapes, lines, and graphics. With the Elements tab open, type the word shape in the search bar. This will give you an array of shapes to choose from. For our progress bar, we want to keep it simple, so select an oblong shape. Once you've clicked on this, simply drag and drop it onto your canvas. After you have the oblong shape on your canvas, you might notice it's a bit larger or smaller than you want it to be. No worries, because you can easily resize it by clicking on the corners and dragging until you reach your desired size. This flexibility allows you to customize the progress bar to perfectly fit your project's aesthetic. Next, it's important to duplicate this shape as you'll need two of them for the progress bar effect. Click on the shape you just resized and find the duplicate option at the top toolbar. Click it and voila, you have an identical second shape. Make sure this newly duplicated shape matches the size of the original one to keep the progress bar consistent. Then direct your attention to the color icon at the top of the screen and click on it. You'll want to change the color of the duplicated shape to a different shade or color that contrasts with the original. This is important as it will represent the portion that's progressing over time. Once your colors are set, head on over to the Animate button at the top of your Canva interface. Click it to open up animation options. For our progress bar, the wipe animation will work perfectly. After selecting wipe, you'll notice another option appears to adjust the animation speed. This is crucial for controlling how fast your progress bar fills up. Slide the speed slider all the way to the left for the slowest speed, which will give you that gradual filling effect. With everything in place, your progress bar is ready to enhance any video project with smooth and professional animation. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful.